Greetings, wonderful viewer. This video focuses on the top 5 best airflow PC cases of 2024. I've delved into extensive research to offer you the finest products available. From cutting-edge features to impeccable quality, reasonable prices, and reputable brands backed by user acclaim, we've got it all. No one is left out. I've curated options for every taste. So, let's explore the fascinating realm of 2024's finest offerings. You can find the latest links with the best prices in the description below. Be sure to watch the video, drop a comment, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's jump right in. At the 5th position of our list, we have Cooler Master MasterBox NR600, known as the best bang for the buck available. The MasterBox NR600 supports versatile cooling configurations, allowing for the installation of up to 3 120mm fans on the front panel, 2 120mm or 140mm fans on the top panel, and a single 120mm blower on the rear panel. Pre-installed with 2 fans, it's ready for immediate use. In terms of radiator support, it accommodates up to 360mm in the front and 280mm on the top panel, catering to the cooling needs of modern processors. While cable management may not rival higher-end chassis, it's sufficient for achieving a clean interior layout. Equipped with dust filters on the top and bottom panels, the NR600 helps to maintain a dust-free environment, ensuring optimal performance over time. With 7 expansion PCI slots and ample storage options, including 4 3.5 inches and 5 2.5 inches bays, storage capacity is never a concern. Moving on to the 4th position, we have NZXT H5 Flow Compact ATX PC Gaming Case as the best durable option available. Presenting another standout from NZXT's lineup, the NZXT H5 Flow earns its spot through rigorous testing and refinement. Building upon the success of the acclaimed H510 series, this new generation of mid-tower cases elevates every aspect to deliver an exceptional chassis. The H5 Flow embodies premium aesthetics, boasting a sleek design with clean lines. Its front panel, adorned with hundreds of perforated holes, houses 2 140mm fans, ensuring efficient airflow. Additionally, it supports up to a 280mm radiator for optimal thermal performance with an AIO cooling solution. For further cooling flexibility, the top panel accommodates a 240mm radiator along with 2 120mm fans, while the rear and bottom panels each support a 120mm fan, totaling 6 possible fan placements. In our comprehensive review, the NZXT H5 Flow demonstrated impeccable cooling capabilities, effectively maintaining ideal temperatures for internal components. Holding the number 3 position, we have Be Quiet, Silent Base 802 Tower PC Case, acknowledged as the most valuable choice. The Be Quiet, Silent Base 802 excels as a PC case, prioritizing silence and thermal efficiency. Offering ample space and customizable features, it caters to enthusiasts seeking a quiet yet powerful build. Its interchangeable parts facilitate easy customization without the need for modding experience, while a large side window and mesh front panel enhance aesthetics and airflow. Equipped with top-notch cooling capabilities, the Silent Base 802 includes 2 140mm pure wings, 2 fans on the front panel and 1 on the rear. It supports up to a 420mm radiator on the front, a 360mm radiator on the top, and a 120mm radiator on the rear, making it ideal for overclocking high-end processors without compromising on noise levels. To further enhance acoustics, Be Quiet integrates 10mm of dampening material on the front and side panels, alongside decoupled PSU shroud, motherboard tray, and HDD cage to minimize vibrations. Overall, the Silent Base 802 stands out as an excellent choice for those prioritizing silence, cooling, and customization in their PC builds. Next, at number 2, we have NZXT H9 Flow Dual Chamber, known as the best premium option available. NZXT unveils its latest masterpiece in PC case design with the NZXT H9 Flow, a stunning addition to their renowned lineup. This case not only exudes elegance but also offers exceptional functionality for enthusiasts and builders alike. Crafted to accommodate up to an ATX motherboard, the NZXT H9 Flow boasts a design that seamlessly blends form with function. Featuring 2 sleek glass panels, the primary air intake is ingeniously situated on the side panel, optimizing airflow for superior cooling performance. The top panel is equipped with a multitude of perforated holes, facilitating efficient exhaust, while supporting the installation of a 360mm radiator alongside three 120mm fans. Similarly, the side panel and bottom are primed for cooling prowess, each capable of housing a 360mm radiator with three accompanying 120mm fans. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by CORSAIR 7000D Airflow, known as the best overall option available. Among CORSAIR's extensive range of cases, the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow stands out as our top choice for maximizing thermal efficiency. As an airflow-centric variant of the standard CORSAIR 7000X full tower case, it caters to enthusiasts seeking superior cooling performance. Priced at over $200, it's a premium option designed to deliver exceptional value for the investment. Boasting the largest form factor in its class, the 7000D Airflow offers ample space for components, ensuring excellent airflow management. With extensive fan support, it accommodates up to 4 120mm or 3 140mm fans on the front panel, 4 additional 120mm fans on the side panel, and 3 120mm or 140mm fans on the top panel, complemented by a 120mm or 140mm blower on the rear panel. Similarly, the case supports various radiator configurations, including a 480mm radiator on the front, a 360mm radiator on the top, and a 120mm radiator on the rear, facilitating the creation of custom water cooling loops with ease. That's all for today regarding our top 5 picks of the best airflow PC cases of 2024. We upload Amazon product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video notification.